If you are wanting to figure out a way to organize all of your online files and things, there's a free way to do it. If you have a Google account, I'm already in mine. This is our Google account for Live Free. And if you click on this little 9 square, kind of looks like a old-fashioned key dial pad. You have a drop-down menu with lots more things than what show up here. You could click more to see more, but right now, for organizing all of your files, very simply and for free, click on Drive. All right, so we clicked on Google Drive, and without loading anything, anything that Google associates with that account already is going to show up within your account. And you can add more things by simply clicking on this first button at the top with the plus sign, New. So you have the ability to add onto your Google Drive, which is basically like a big desk with lots of drawers, any kind of files that you want. When you click on the plus sign, you can choose if you want to create a folder and then upload files into the folder, or leave them out on your desk separately. You can upload folders that you already have created on your desktop. And then there's these wonderful little tools here, which are, it's basically Office, like Microsoft Office, except free, and merges well with a lot of other programs that everyone's going to be able to view it if you send a Google Doc versus a Word doc, or if you send a Google Sheet versus Excel. And this is Google Slides is like PowerPoint. So all of these are free. Let's go and create a folder right now. And of course, we're going to name our folder. Let's name it Videos. Create. Okay, here's our video folder. And we could click and drag any of these to stick in there. And all of a sudden you have a way to get organized. Okay, let's say inside this folder now, of course, we don't want all our videos to be together. Just come up and add another folder. And say you want one to be about one topic, making placemats. We're going to add another one. Of course, you get the idea here. Add as many as you want. We're going to say this is recipe for, what was the name of that amazing soup that's on our Live Free channel? I believe it's Caribbean, not sure if I'll spell it right, artichoke chili. Yeah, bet you never had that before. Okay, Caribbean artichoke chili. I'm going to create a folder for that. Okay, so very easily you're going to be able to find all your video files, all your raw video data, video footage in one place, and of course as far as you want to go. Now you can also create, let's go inside this folder, Caribbean artichoke chili, and we may also want to add a Google Sheet. It would be like a spreadsheet. Okay, and this is going to be customizable. You know, change. Click and drag this little line. See, can you see this cursor changing from an arrow to double arrow, that means if you click on that now, you can expand that column over. And because all these columns were selected, they all became that wide. Or we can undo it. You can click this undo arrow to put it back the way it was. So this is Google Sheets. You simply click on the title up here, make it say what you want. We're going to say recipe. All right, so now we're going to close out of this, or actually go back. Yeah, we can close out of this window. And we're back at our Google Drive page. Okay, we did create that spreadsheet, and now if we go to My Drive, okay, inside the video folder, I thought it would be here, but instead I'm going to go to Recent. Okay, so I must not have saved that. Oh, there it is. It finally showed up. It wasn't there. Okay, so this is what we called Recipe. And there it is. I'm going to close it out again. Okay, now, if we right-click on that, we can move this document we just created anywhere we want within our Google Drive. So we're going to put it in My Drive, and we want to put it in our video folder, and we're going to put it in our Caribbean artichoke chili folder. And we just did. There it is, grayed out, but we can see that it got moved there. All right, so that's one way to move it. There's lots of ways, lots of things you can do on here, but if we go back to My Drive, okay, you're going to see that the folder that we created is here, and then we created things inside that folder very simply by just clicking this new plus button at the top. And you can organize all your files. In another video, I'll show you how to add information to your spreadsheet or to your document.